Uniqlo Single Strap Backpack can be purchased at a retail price of $19.90. It comes in just one size. It also comes in a few different color options as well. Now, they call it a single strap backpack, but it's pretty much a fanny pack. It also goes by the names of sling bag, shoulder bag, call it whatever name works for you. So, before we continue, here's a quick look at the older design, which I also did a review on, and I'll link that in the description as well. As you can see, there is quite a difference when it comes to the overall design of the bags. The single strap backpack is made of a nylon material that covers most of the shell. The interior and mesh portions are made of polyester. It's designed to be water resistant. That doesn't mean it's waterproof though, so it should be fine in most light rain situations. In terms of features, there is a single strap, which should be obvious based on the name of course. This strap can be adjusted depending on how you want to wear it. The strap is held together by a buckle that can be attached or detached. There are 3 compartments for storage. I'll start with the top compartment, which has the least amount of space for storage. You would put your small items in here, for example like your phone, sunglasses, or keys, which they do have a clip that you can attach your keys to. The main front compartment is bigger and has more storage space. It has 2 extra internal pockets that can be used to secure items like a passport or credit cards, for example. This compartment is where you would put your biggest items. The back storage compartment isn't quite as big as the main front compartment. There isn't any internal pockets, but there is a mesh material backing. It's mostly there to add extra cushion and comfort for the person wearing it, as it keeps the interior objects from protruding too much. You could put more valuable items here since it's the hardest compartment to get to. It's up to you though, you can put whatever you want in here or any of the other compartments. Alright, so there's a few ways you can wear the single strap backpack. You can wear it in the more traditional way, which is around your waist as a fanny pack. Maybe not the most sexiest option, but some people can pull it off. This is also one of the easiest ways to wear it. Another way to wear it is on your front side, which is how I wear it most days. This is the way most people are wearing it these days. It's super convenient if you need to grab something when you're on the move. Now, of course, you can wear it on your back as a backpack too. It's not as easy to get stuff when it's on your back though. Depending on your situation, wearing it as a backpack might be more appropriate. Overall, I'll be honest, I kind of had mixed feelings on the new design. I still prefer the old design. I'll have to give it more time for it to grow on me. Like the old model, the style is very minimal. It's simple and doesn't grab too much attention. The build quality is superb. The material used doesn't feel cheap. The entire shell feels solid and sturdy. This bag is spacious, but it feels smaller compared to the old design. I can still pretty much fit most of my essential items in here, but there's not quite as much extra space left over. Here's a general idea of what you can fit in it. For the price you are paying and the build quality, it's still a good purchase in my opinion. Like I said, I'm not the biggest fan of the redesign. It looks too much like a fanny pack now, so it's definitely not for everyone, but if you do like the new design, I would recommend buying it. It's very functional and should meet most of your needs in terms of storage and style. Since I bought it, I still plan on wearing it. Anyways, those were my thoughts on the redesigned single strap backpack from Uniqlo. Let me know what you think in the comments and whether or not you plan on buying it. And as always, thanks for watching. Until next time, I'm out.